Garlic is a food that has been used in the treatment of diseases for centuries. The modern medicine and studies have discovered many healthy properties and uses of garlic our ancestors did not know. Garlic is used in modern diets to deflate the stomach and to remove accumulated fat in the body in order to lose weight. When you eat garlic, its power is so strong that even after 24 hours our body reacts to this powerful food, in diets for weight loss or as natural remedy prepared to cure certain diseases. What happens to your body when you eat roasted garlic? Hour 1. In the first hour garlic is digested in your stomach and becomes nutrient for the body. Hours 2 to 4, the body begins to perceive the antioxidants provided by garlic, which helps fight free radicals and existing cancer cells in our body. Hours 4 to 6, the body's metabolism begins to perceive the benefits of garlic, regulating levels and activate the process for removal of excess fluids and burn stored body fat. Hours 6 to 7, the antibacterial properties of garlic, after traveling the bloodstream, begin to exert function against bacteria in the body. Hours 6 to 10, in this time period the nutrients provided by garlic have already played a role at the cellular level, protecting against oxidation. Hours 10 to 24, after being digested, within the first hour, garlic in your body starts a process of deep cleansing, including the following processes. Regulation of cholesterol levels. Cleaning the arteries and protects the body from heart problems. Lowers and improves blood pressure level. Increases the body's natural defenses, and strengthens the immune system. In the cleansing process, garlic helps eliminate heavy metals from your body. Helps to improve bone strength. Garlic helps to eliminate fatigue, due to its high nutritional content. Improves athletic abilities. Help longevity of cells. How to roast the garlic. Put a garlic bulb in the oven and let it bake until tender. Then remove it from the oven, let it cool and consume only 6 garlic cloves. When you take this cure, remember to consume plenty of water and light food, such as fresh vegetables and easily digestible proteins. Do not eat refined sugars or processed or canned food. Another recommendation is when you take this treatment you should stay at home, take a good rest and let your body expel the smell of garlic for about 24 hours.